Hello everyone, I am BMASTER Oliver. This is my company, BMASTER Fuel Injection Pump Limited. We focus on produce fuel injection pump and fuel injector. We offer China-made quality and remade quality and original quality. Recently, we received a lot of Stanadyne DP pump from UK, almost 1,000 units in total. Look, including 4 cylinders, 6 cylinders, and 8 cylinders. You can find almost all the models in our company. If you need it, contact us. We will shipment the products from Guangdong, China to your country. Now let me show you the 4-cylinder pump. You can look at the pump. It looks beautiful. And it has a good quality. If you're interested in this pump, you can contact us and tell me the number. BMASTER believes that we can become your trust and reliable diesel parts supplier. BMASTER will always offer the best service for you. Look at this pump. Genuine DB4429 Z312 fuel injection pump, original quality for NEF48 energy, used on 18 kVA, 192 kW generator at 1,500 RPM. Customer part number 58016A3395. 1% original specification, direct replacement, stable performance, long service life.